Apologize about the wind today, but I don't got a choice but to make this video here in the wind. So here's our 2015 Chevy 3500 Duramax Crew Cab Diesel. This truck actually came to us from an insurance company over in South Dakota. I'll tell you a little bit more about what I know about it once I get inside the truck so I can make sure you can hear me. This is the Duramax. I'll do a quick walk around here. I don't really see any damage here, well, actually anywhere around the truck. I can tell you this truck does have the B&W fifth wheel hitch there. That is the square hole, so the ball will pop out, flip over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck up. My hand's up here so you know I'm not clearing any codes as usual. You can see there's currently 62,924 miles on this truck. It runs and drives great. I'll let you go out and hear the engine. Funny noises or anything. Okay. Put my seatbelt on. You can see for features, we've got the trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, power windows, locks, mirrors, and it does have traction control with the bed lights and the exhaust brake. Here's our owner's manual. Here's our VIN and option, excuse me. Here's our VIN and option codes for all those of you wondering. Okay. Sorry, I do not have the original window sticker to this truck. Oh, I guess it comes with a free Kleenex. Or a piece of paper, actually. So now, this truck, as far as what I know about it, came to us from an insurance company in South Dakota. Undisclosed damage. They didn't know what the damage was to this. But I can tell you that somebody had put in a brand new glow plug control module in this truck and they did not program it correctly. So the truck would not actually start. It would not run and drive. When we got the truck, we had to have the glow plug control module programmed, and then it was able to run and drive. However, we found another little goofy, funny thing with it too. And let me pull over here so I can show you. We do have 3 keys for this truck. Of course, the one's in the ignition with the white tape on it. And then there's the other 2 here. Now, these other 2, they do work for the doors, the glove box there and everything. But these 2 actually won't start the truck for some odd reason. This one will start the truck just fine. And then, of course, the key fob, lock, unlock, as you can see. works just fine. So we got one fob. There's 2 keys to get you in the truck or your glove box, but they don't actually start the truck. And the one with the tape, we didn't put the tape on there, but the one with the tape will actually start the truck. So, and then once you start it, there's no issues with it whatsoever. So it's pretty simple. I don't know anything more than that, really. We didn't do anything else to it. Everything works. Heat, AC, blower motor. Of course, radio, all of that works. You can hear our blower motor going just fine there. Our exhaust brake is on. Our bed lights. Traction control is off. Traction control on. Of course, our bed lamps. They wouldn't come on when we were in park, or when we were in drive, my bad. So now they're disabled because we're back in drive. There's no funny pulls, no funny smells, no funny noises. Truck runs and drives just like a brand new truck, no issues whatsoever. There's no check engine lights, there's no hidden lights. We've had all of that scanned and checked out. I've driven the truck approximately, I would say I've driven the truck approximately about 100 miles or so since we've got the truck. Taking it down the interstate, taking it on back roads. Just no issues. Now, to the best of my knowledge, again, we've not painted anything, we've not replaced anything on the outside of the truck. Well, actually, in fact, we haven't replaced anything anywhere on the truck whatsoever. We just basically reprogrammed the glow plug control module, and that was really all we've done. We haven't bought anything for it or anything. So I'm not really sure the full details of it. Typically what these things do is, I know this truck was at a GM dealership and they couldn't fix something on it or couldn't figure it out or whatever the deal was. And my guess is that somebody just didn't know correctly how to program the glow plug control module, and thus the truck wouldn't run and drive. Floor it here just so you can see how well it accelerates under acceleration. Well, that's going to be all for our video today. It's pretty simple. I wouldn't hesitate to jump in this truck and drive it clear across the country if need be. This truck needs absolutely nothing. Everything from, of course, our windows, our locks, mirrors, everything works 100%. Again, we had it all checked out, had it all checked over. We checked the truck out to see if there's any flood damage or anything like that. There is no flood damage. We checked under the carpet. There's absolutely no evidence of any water under there. Completely dry truck, and it needs nothing. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a good day.